YouTube, what is going on, guys? This is Alex from Techerific, back again with a quick little short unboxing, first impressions, and review. And today we are going to be checking out the brand new Tori 5-in-1 magnetic case for the iPhone 15 Pro. So it comes with 2 screen protectors as well as 2 camera lenses. It's a transparent slim fit that's designed for the 15 Pro. It does also claim to have military grade drop protection. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the unboxing. So it's a pretty simple packaging. It does have lifetime warranty, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. Slim yet protective, anti-shock and anti-fouling, extreme protection, sensitivity and HD, precision cut edges, easy installation. Now on the front there is also a QR code that you can scan to head over to this link where they have an installation video. So I picked this up on Amazon for about 20 bucks. So let's see if it was worth it. Nice little pull tab right in there. And what do we have inside? Let's see here. All right. Seems like we have a nice little sticker thank you note right in here. Let's see what's inside. All right, just some nice few stickers and a thank you note. Did they write something inside? Yes, they did. Nice. Good to see that. Beautiful marketing. Good first impressions. Now here is the case. I believe these are just the installation accessory kit, as you can see. So we'll just set that aside. These are the camera lens protectors, obviously. And these are the tempered glass. So these are just pretty usual, nothing much to care about. What we do care about though is the case. How does the case look? All right, so let's get this iPhone clean, set that aside. All right, now this is the case. Nice. So let's put that on the iPhone. Ooh, feels really good. It really complements the blue titanium. I really love the design right over here. Obviously there's a film that I'm gonna pull off later once I put the screen protector. But you can really see that film, that fine line all around, which really gives that nice design. Beautiful cutout, beautiful camera protection, little lip for the screen protector. Tactile feeling buttons. You still have great access to the action button. The groove isn't too deep. It actually goes in, as you can see. That way you can easily access the action button. I do kind of wish they did have something on top of the action button, but I guess they're trying to keep it the same as the ring silent switch. On the bottom we have our USB-C cutout looking all good. Speaker cutouts. MagSafe. I do actually have a MagSafe accessory somewhere here. Let me go find that. There you go. I do have the Apple Fine Woven Pacific Blue MagSafe wallet. And there you go. Sticks right on. Looks really good. Beautiful. You do also see that it has that air cushion technology all around, so it can really keep your iPhone nice and safe. So guys, that is the brand new Tori 5-in-1 magnetic case for the iPhone 15 Pro. I saw that this was a Amazon bestseller last week, so I just wanted to hop on and buy it, give you guys a quick little unboxing, because I always like seeing unboxing videos before purchasing tech gadgets, and I haven't seen any of this specific case or model on YouTube yet. So I thought I'd be the first to make a video and perhaps serve you guys some good content. So my personal opinion, feels really good, feels really nice. It's just your clear MagSafe case. Instead of paying $69 at Apple, you pay 20 bucks, you get 2 screen protectors and 2 camera lens protectors. So that's pretty much it. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. I will also be unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Pro clear case for MagSafe. Yes, it does retail at $69, so make sure to stay tuned for that, and let's see if it is actually worth it. Should you get this one or should you get the Tori one? Anyways, that has been Alex from Techrific with a quick little unboxing, first impressions, and review. Are you guys gonna cop this case? Make sure to let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, share with notifications on if you haven't already, and make sure to go follow my TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram, all at Techrific it is. Anyways, see you guys in the next one.